Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Green Traders. I'm Kumar here. So today is the weekend, so we have just selected few high probability stocks which may have an high uh, chances of breaking out or breaking down in the coming week. So we will go just check one by one. I have selected five stocks for this week. So this is the first stock, that is Reliance, which I've selected. As you can see, Reliance nicely, it is trading in the uptrend, and this was the stock which I had moved the market in the past couple of weeks. So it is consolidating in the from past 3-4 days. So what we can expect this year, there is a breakout chances over here. So these are the levels of breakout. So like watch carefully. So the buy level which I have given here is about 2130, about 2130 up to a target of 2150, that is around 20 points. And on the sell side, you can short Reliance below 2094 for a target of up to 2045. Okay, so it is in the uptrend, so watch carefully before you go buy. On the buy side, only if the market is negative in the next coming weeks, then only you short. Okay, or else you don't buy. If the market is positive, then only you buy. If the market is negative, don't go for a buy. Okay, so, fine. Then we'll go to the next stock. The next stock is Amraj Battery. This stock is also in the uptrend. So and as you can see, this stock is also, it's trading in the range from past couple of days, that is a 3-4 days. So what you can expect in this is buy above 745 for a target of up to 755. Okay, in this range, if there is any price action confirmations patterns on this level, you get any price action confirmation on the buy side, you can buy above 745 up to a target of 755. And the same way, the sell targets are, the level is sell below 735, okay, up to a target of 725. Okay, and the next stock is Dabur. Okay, Dabur also is in the uptrend. So always keep one thing in mind: the maximum, the stocks which I have selected, it's almost all the stocks are in the uptrend. So always see chances on the buy side only. Don't sell the stock until unless the market is negative. Okay, so Dabur, as you can see, I have given buy above 500 up to a target of 515. Okay, and on the sell side, you can sell Dabur below 430, target of up to 475, 490 up to a target of 475. And the next stock is Bata India. Okay, Bata India is the one stock which is in the downtrend from I think from June, almost 3-4 months the stock is trading in the downtrend. So in this stock particularly, look for sell, don't look for any buy opportunities only until unless the market is very bullish. And if you get any kind of very good reversible price action pattern on the buy side, then only you have to buy, or else they only look for the sell side. Okay, so that is the reason there will be a high probability that it may come down. Okay, so don't go on the buy side if the market is negative. So the levels are buy above 1246 up to a target of 1265. Okay, and the sell target is below 1225, target up to 1200. Okay, 25 points on the lower side and almost 20 points on the buy side. Okay, so then the next stock is NIT Tech. NIT Tech also is in the uptrend nicely. It is trading in the range in within this box. So as you can see, I have given buy above 1960. Actually the price is trading above 1960 right now. Only unless if the price comes down and near 1960, then only go for and buy. If it is moving or if Monday or the next week, if NIT Tech opens gap up and starts going up, just leave the stock, don't follow it. Okay, only when the stock comes down to 1960, and if you find any price action reversible patterns with the good volume, you can buy above 1960 up to a target of 1990. Okay, and sell sell side, the target is 1980 and the level is below 1920. I have to sell NIT Tech. Okay, that's it guys. These are the 5 stocks which I've selected for next week. So as you can see, out of 5 stocks, 4 stocks in the uptrend. So always look for and buying opportunities in these stocks. Don't ever go on the sell side. If you are going on the sell side, if market is negative, then enter quickly and exit quickly. Okay, don't wait for more profits on the sell sides. Okay, that's it guys. And as usual I say, friends who are all interested in learning such strategies, okay, to learn what is trend lines, what are support, what are supply and demand, how to draw this channel. So you can learn all these things only in the price action course which I conduct every weekends. It's a paid course which consists of 16 classes which I conduct every weekends or Saturdays and Sundays for one and a half hour on weekends. Okay, so friends who are all interested, they can contact me or they can WhatsApp me regarding this for more details. And friends who want to just join my Telegram channel to look out for my screenshots of my strategies and my free calls, they can join my free Telegram channel as well. And for more such videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.